Guys, today we're gonna pull a prank on my brother. He's not in here right now. Just letting his amiibos fight. And what you do is, Robbie's coming. What you do is you get some petroleum jelly. This stuff. You get like a handful, and you put it on the doorknob. Just rub it in so it doesn't look, and like it'll be pretty hard to open the door. Just do that, and when he comes in, he's gonna put his hand on it. It's like gonna be like all that. What is that stuff? And so I'm gonna hide in here and wait until he opens the door. I'm gonna pause the video, of course, because yeah. Let me make it stand. Okay, guys, you can see that pretty well, and I'll unpause it when he comes. Yeah. I can hear his footsteps very loudly.
Why is this door all